Welcome to Best Productly.
Top 5 enterprise hard drives for home servers, 20 terabytes in 2026. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 enterprise-grade hard drives with 20 terabytes capacity that are perfect for powerful, reliable home servers in 2026. Whether you're building a NAS for media storage, backing up your entire
Top 1.
Seagate Ironwolf Pro 16 terabyte Enterprise NAS Internal HDD. The Seagate Ironwolf Pro 16 terabyte drive is built for users who need reliable storage solutions for heavy-duty environments. Designed to handle large amounts of data, this NAS hard drive delivers consistent performance for both home and small business networks. Its advanced design allows smooth operation in multi-drive setups, ensuring that access to files is fast and uninterrupted. With large capacity, it can store vast amounts of videos, images, and documents without worrying about running out of space. Durability is a key aspect of this enterprise storage device, making it suitable for 24/7 operation. The drive maintains stability under constant workloads and provides secure data handling to protect critical information. Its efficient power management reduces energy usage while keeping performance levels high, which is ideal for long-term deployment. Users looking to expand or upgrade their storage network will find this device compatible with various systems, supporting multiple RAID configurations and server environments. Thanks to its vibration and heat management technologies, this high-capacity HDD operates quietly and stays cool, even in tightly packed NAS enclosures. It is engineered to minimize wear and tear, giving a longer lifespan compared to conventional drives.
Top 2.
Seagate Exos X24 24 terabyte Enterprise Internal Hard Drive HDD. The Seagate Exos X24 24 terabyte is a high-capacity storage solution designed for demanding data environments. Built to handle intensive workloads, this enterprise hard drive provides a reliable platform for storing large amounts of information without compromise. Its robust design ensures that critical files remain secure while maintaining consistent performance over long periods. Ideal for businesses and tech enthusiasts looking to expand their server storage, it offers a balance of speed and durability that supports continuous data access. Engineered for large-scale storage systems, the drive operates efficiently under heavy usage, making it suitable for home servers or small data centers. Users can trust this hard drive to manage massive datasets while reducing downtime and operational issues. The 24 terabyte capacity allows for extensive media libraries, backups, or virtual environments, offering flexibility for a variety of storage needs. Its advanced architecture ensures that read and write operations are smooth, contributing to overall system reliability. With an emphasis on longevity, this internal hard drive is crafted to endure high-intensity tasks and frequent access cycles. Its quiet operation and energy-efficient design help maintain an optimal environment, even when integrated into multi-drive setups. The drive's compatibility with standard server interfaces ensures easy installation and seamless integration into existing systems.
Top 3.
Seagate Skyhawk 12 terabyte Video Internal Hard Drive HDD. The Seagate Skyhawk 12 terabyte is designed for video storage and continuous recording. It supports high-capacity data handling, making it ideal for users managing large amounts of footage. With this internal hard drive, storing multiple streams of content becomes easier, ensuring smooth performance even under heavy workloads. Its storage capability allows long-term archiving without frequent upgrades or replacements. This HDD is suitable for home setups, small studios, or surveillance systems where reliability is crucial. Users can manage recordings efficiently, avoiding delays or interruptions during critical storage tasks. Its advanced design helps maintain consistent operation over extended periods, making it a dependable choice for ongoing video projects. The drive also offers effective data handling for media-intensive applications. Whether it is security cameras or professional editing, the internal hard drive handles complex tasks without compromising speed. Storage management becomes more organized, allowing users to allocate space smartly and reduce clutter.
Top 4.
Western Digital Internal Hard Drives, 16TB DC-HC550 Surveillance. The Western Digital Internal Hard Drive 16TB DC-HC550 Surveillance is designed to handle high-capacity storage needs efficiently. Built for reliability, it supports continuous operation in demanding environments, such as security systems and data-heavy applications. This drive ensures smooth data transfer and long-term durability, making it suitable for both professional and personal setups. Users can manage large amounts of video footage, recordings, or backups without worrying about performance degradation. Its architecture allows consistent write and read speeds, reducing delays during high-intensity tasks. Ideal for home servers or network-attached storage, this drive offers a balance between storage space and dependability. It can store extensive amounts of footage from multiple cameras while maintaining system stability. The drive's design also minimizes vibration and noise, ensuring it integrates quietly into any server rack or desktop setup. Efficient heat management allows the drive to run optimally over long periods, preventing overheating and enhancing longevity. For users managing enterprise storage, this model provides a cost-effective solution to expand capacity without compromising reliability. It is compatible with various RAID configurations, which improves data security and redundancy. Professionals who require uninterrupted access to surveillance content or large datasets will find it particularly useful. Additionally, its efficient power consumption reduces overall energy costs, making it eco-friendly for continuous operation.
Top 5.
Western Digital 8TB WD Gold Enterprise Class Internal Hard Drive. The Western Digital 8TB WD Gold Enterprise Class Internal Hard Drive is designed to meet the high demands of professional storage environments. It provides reliable performance for servers, workstations, and data centers that require continuous operation. With massive capacity, this drive handles large amounts of data efficiently, making it ideal for users who need dependable storage for backups, virtualization, or cloud-based projects. Its architecture ensures smooth data access and transfer rates, which helps maintain system efficiency, even under heavy workloads. Built for endurance, the drive supports long operating hours, allowing businesses and tech enthusiasts to rely on it for uninterrupted service. The robust design minimizes the risk of downtime, while the advanced monitoring and error recovery systems contribute to maintaining data integrity. Users benefit from the balance of speed and storage space, enabling the management of large files without compromising system performance. Installation is straightforward, compatible with most enterprise servers and high-performance workstations. Its quiet operation reduces noise, making it suitable for office or home server setups. Additionally, the drive integrates seamlessly with RAID configurations, enhancing data protection and redundancy for critical information.
Check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.